Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. iCloud Notes sync on and the device updated. Once done, sign in and enable dictation or Siri where required. Open Notes and create a new note or choose an existing one, then tap or click the AI icon to begin. You'll see a prompt or compose button. Use it. Speak or type a short instruction like summarize this or draft meeting notes. This gets the AI context and starts the workflow immediately. Once you have the AI engaged, give it clear context so outputs match your needs. Add headings, dates, and attendee names for meeting notes. Use specific prompts like create 5 bullet action items or rewrite in concise professional tone. Make selections to run AI on parts of the note. This helps you focus results. If the first pass is off, refine the prompt and rerun. You can ask for shorter length, more detail, or a different tone. That iterative loop sharpens results fast. To finish, review the AI output and edit for accuracy. Don't accept verbatim without a quick check. Once satisfied, pin, lock, or export the note as PDF or share to other apps for archiving. Make sure to label and organize with folders and tags so you can find the result later. If things go wrong, first check internet connection and permissions, then update notes or the OS. If issues persist, restart the device and re-enable Notes sync. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.